crazy stuff here for you guys. The Pioneer was out there for like literally 12 hours straight until midnight, just tearing everything up. We did break a lot of stuff, U-joints, drive shafts. The Pioneer's making a weird popping noise. But overall, tons of fun, great footage. Killed a lot of Miller Lights and seltzers.
Because Logan used to fit through there.
Logan used to, yeah.
Oh, it'll fit. Steep climb out though. Get all your weight up here. Oh, those tires are cheating. Those tires are great, but the spacing's a little tight. Yeah, your back is hanging up, you're right. Your front's got plenty of clearance. Yeah! That looks pretty soupy. Those tires are awesome.
As usual, the Tarachi Aztecs did awesome. They're the perfect tire for this soft bottom stuff where you don't want a super aggressive tire where you're going to dig a hole, but you still want to be able to have some wheel speed and clean them out. I mean, they clean out super fast in this stuff. They've also walked on a lot of much bigger rigs and tires, as you'll see soon, because they build such good traction even at low wheel speed. So despite my best efforts, I was unable to get the Pioneer stuck, and I did hit a lot of pretty bad holes, considering I didn't have waders and it was pretty freaking cold out there.
Get out. He must go.
The guy we bought the tires from last weekend, he said he made it through there with his...
Yeah, no, he didn't.
Even drier than this, and those two get real thick. They're still going. He needs to just go real slow through it. Well, he's digging a hole. That's incredible. Look how nasty that is. I think all the water in the bed's gonna get some traction. Yeah, I hear you. Hey, the other shirt's all 50s. Hey, the other shirt's all 50s. Yes.
Andy broke something, it looks like.
Yeah, broke his front end. gone through. That's embarrassing, man. That fucking hurt.
Get it up! Come on! 12 o'clock that bitch! Drown that hoe! Did really well all day. And then all of a sudden, Bluetooth drive shaft. Yo!
This thing got mowed down.
Dude!
Which way should I go, my guy?
I don't know. I don't live here. Go! Stuck. Floored.
There we go.
Woo! So here's the aftermath of Black Hole. Pioneer is working pretty good. However, this little guy really ate up the rear view. Gross. So I'm gonna take it home with me and get that fixed up. But in order to get both of these on the trailer, you have to get creative.